Hello everyone, quick one today. I keep getting questions on the mirrors. Do they fold? Do they have motors? Yes on both. Not just that, but you can actually set them to a location if you're so inclined. And you can unfold them too. And the same motors. Put them back out. So that's fixed. The other big question is about the lights in the back. So I wanted to go ahead and get a couple quick shots just so you can kind of see how they look. So I'll go ahead and back up. And excuse my camera for making it look like they're flickering. Obviously they'd be solid in the real world. And those are the blinkers. And so I think overall they're definitely noticeable. I don't think people are going to get rear-ended just because they're a little more stealth. So hopefully that answered those questions. If you have anything else you really want to see, please do comment. And I will do my best to go out and make a video for you and get it posted up here as quickly as possible. So like I said, it was a short one today, but thank you again. And please comment, like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.